Hey guys, this is Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here to share with you guys these beautiful paper flowers that I made. And this one, it's so cute. It's perfect for any project that you want to use this for. So look how cute it is. Look at this one. And this is the back side of the flower. And of course, there is the pencil marks because I forgot to erase the pencil marks. Look at this one and this one. So adorable. And yeah, let's go make one together. So to make this flower, I'm going to use this flower template that I got from Google. So I got one in this size and another one in this size. And this size over here, I'm going to trace 3 times on a cardstock. And this one, I'm going to trace only 1 time. So here I have a piece of cardstock and I'm going to put this right here. And I'm going to get the pencil and I will trace this flower on a cardstock. Make sure that you hold this pretty well so the flower template doesn't move. And there you go. And now I need to trace 2 more times this size, and I'm going to trace 1 of this size. And I'll be right back. And I cut all the flowers. Now I just need to erase just right here at the point of the flower to take the pencil marks out. So you're going to do this with all the flowers. Now I'm going to use a foam pad, a wooden dowel, lay down the flowers right here, and then I'm going to mark the middle of the flowers. Make sure it's in the middle, just because I want to cut in between the petals right here. And to know how much I want to cut, that's why I mark with the wooden dowel. So now I know exactly how much do I need to cut. It's only a little bit. Here's the circle mark, and I'm going to cut just a little bit. Like that. And there you go. Now look the difference between this one that I cut in between right here, the petals, and this one. So I want my flower to be like this. And I'm going to do the same thing as I did with this, I'm going to do with this one. So just mark in the middle of the flower. Oh, sometimes it doesn't get in the middle of the flower. That's okay, you just mark again. And the small one, I'm gonna use the pencil, as it's flat anyway. So there you go. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing as I did with this one, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I am all done cutting in between the petals right here. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to flip it to this other side, because this is the side that I'm going to shape my flower. And I'm gonna use this long stick, and I'm gonna do this. I'm going to place it between the petals, and I'm going to press this up like this. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other flowers. So after I'm done doing this, I'm going to use the flower shape. And I'm just gonna roll in the middle of the flower. And there you go. I'm going to do the same thing with all those other flowers right here. Now I'm going to use the art glitter glue to put the flower together. In between the petals of this other flower, that's how you're going to put the next flower. And the same thing you're going to do with this one. You're going to glue this other flower in between the petals. And there you go. Now I need a piece of rhinestone to glue right there. I'm going to just press and clean whatever glue is coming out on the side. And there it is. The flower, it's all done. Easy to make. You just take a little bit more time. I'm putting back in here all the other flowers that I made. Look how cute, all the flowers together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already yet. I would love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!